Okay, so two graphs. I've got to show the intersection. I've got to solve some simultaneous equations. The second one says that y equals this, and so I've got to substitute the y value into the other one. So instead of writing y squared, I write down 3x plus 2 squared, and that equals what's on the right hand side here, which is x squared minus 2x plus 10. And I need to square this. I'll do it over here. 3x plus 2 squared means 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2, and that will give me 3x times 3x will be 9x squared. 3x times 2 will be plus 6x. 2 times 3x is plus another 6x, and then 2 times 2 is plus 4. And so altogether over there I've got 9x squareds, I've got plus 12x, and I've got plus 4, and that equals x squared minus 2x plus 10. Whenever we do that, we now need to get rid of that minus 2x, the minus x squared. So I've got to take away x squared from both sides. I've got to add 2x to both sides, and I've got to take away 10. And that will give me 9x squared take away 1x squared will be 8x squared. I've got 12x, I need to add 2 more x to it, so that'll be 14x. And then I've got to take away 10, and that'll be minus 6, and that equals 0. Looking to see, it's not quite that, but if I divide mine by 2, which I'm allowed to divide both sides of an equation by the same number, that'll be 4x squared plus 7x minus 3 equals 0. Second part says give your answers. So I'll solve that equation, giving your answers correct 2 decimal places, where it says calculate paper, and it gives me a clue that it won't factorise, so I'm going to have to use the formula. And the formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If you can't remember that, it's on the formula sheet. I now need to substitute it in. A and b equals, and c equals, a equals 4, b equals 7, and c equals negative 3. And now I substitute in there. I get x equals negative b, which is 7, minus 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's 49, minus 4 times by a is 4, times by c is negative 3, and that's got to be all over 2a, which is 8. That equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 97 all over 8, and that will give me minus 2.11 or 0.36 to 2 decimal places. Don't forget, you either put minus 7 plus root 97 all divided by 8, or you put minus 7 minus root 97 all over 8. And again, use the fraction button on your calculator to make it easier. And that's that done.